Hey guys, Tashdile everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today recipe I'm going to show you super easy and super crunchy overnight green chili pickle recipe. This recipe is very simple and it's very easy to make. So let's get started how to make, and I will recommend you, if you have never tried this recipe, you should be try. You will love it, this recipe. And before watching video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. For marinade ingredient, it's too simple. We need vinegar, sugar, some salt, and I'm gonna add for extra flavor garlic. And we need store container. This is a proper cover need, and okay, now I already washed my all the chili. You can call black pepper also. This chili is not too much spicy, just a little bit. When you make the pickle, always remember you have to choose the bigger one, not small one. Small is very spicy. To chop my all chili. Now next I'm going to add some garlic. So garlic also I'm going to keep little bit chunk like this mesh. You have to add hot water. Add the water under cover the all chili. Now I'm gonna leave it for 15 minutes like this. In this way you will have to remove the extra spicy and see. Okay guys, can you see my chili already changed the color? Now what you want to do? Now I'm gonna take out just lightly inside C. We don't need too much C, because if too much then it will be spicy. So I don't need too much spicy. I'm gonna remove some C. Okay, now next we need to take one container like this. So I'm gonna put in container. Remove the water and put in container. And second, I'm gonna add a little bit garlic. Add chili, just a little bit garlic. Garlic is optionally. If you like, you can add. If you don't like, you can skip. You can make only chili also. But garlic will give nice flavor. Okay, now I already add my all chili. Now can you see I oil 1 teaspoon salt and 2 teaspoon sugar, vinegar I'm gonna add more, so total I add 3 cup of vinegar. Now nicely mix, because add salt and sugar need to go downside. Okay, now I already mixed. Now press it down. Can you see I already add the vinegar, covered the chili. Now what you want to do? Now I'm gonna keep in room temperature for overnight. And this is not end. Tomorrow I will show you again. And see you tomorrow. Okay guys, so this is my final result. Here my chili pickle is ready. Overnight chili pickle is ready. It's super easy and super delicious recipe. And Can you see my already changed the chili color? Now I'm gonna show you here. Okay guys, so this is my final result. My homemade super easy and chili pickle is ready. Now you can go with any recipe as you like. As a side dish you can eat, and you can keep in this recipe until you can keep in 6 months in fridge. It will not damage and you can eat slowly. Okay guys, so for more video, if you want to know, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends and family, and even they also enjoy this recipe. And thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you in next video. Bye bye.